Saan mo na naman napanood yun? Where did you watch that one?
In the YouTube.
Gaya-gaya ka rin eh. What you call that one?
The woman without cook.
Crispy, you said? Crispy ramen?
Without getting cooked. That's what I'm talking about. Your dad.
You gonna eat like that? Huh? Oh my god. Yummy?
Right?
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Yum. Now what are those? Yeah. They're just so boring. I know. It's so funny.
Oh my gee.
Okay, I should finish my milk.
Okay.
Please.
But more importantly, it reflects, of course, yung kung kanya talaga pag-aalang doon po sa proseso po ng pag-budget.
Enjoying it?
Yeah.
Inubos yung isang. Aloka. Papala nang nakakapanood ng YouTube eh.
Bago ba itayo ang isang nuclear plant sa Pilipinas, ituloy pagkatapos na ng Marcos administration.
Very good.